Magictec Powered Soil Probe. Yes, a powered soil probe, not an auger, so you can collect full soil cores at the depth that you choose, up to 12 inches deep. The Magictec's simple design makes it reliable and easy to use, thereby reducing the fatigue on those long days out in the fields. Because of the Magictec's lightweight construction, it can be moved from one vehicle to another by one person. It can be mounted on the back of a hitch of a pickup, SUV, UTV, ATV, or it can be mounted on the side of an ATV or UTV. The Magictec's mount will slide into a standard hitch. Then just pin it and use the provided ratchet straps to stabilize it from side to side. Because the Magictec uses 12 volt standard power, you simply plug it in and go to soil sampling. That's right, there's no noisy gas motors to maintain and no messy hydraulic pumps and hoses to deal with. The Magictec is controlled with a wireless remote switch that reduces the need for cumbersome wires having to be installed on every vehicle that you're going to use it on. Simply press the down arrow button until the probe is in the ground to your desired depth. There's an adjustable limit switch that will automatically stop the probe at the depth that you've set it to. If you hit a rock or an obstruction on the way down, simply release the down button and the Magictec will stop. Then you can raise the probe with the up arrow button and move to another place to try again. The Magictec uses the weight of the vehicle it's mounted on to help it penetrate the soil. This allows you to sample when the field conditions won't allow a hand probe to even penetrate. The Magictec can pull an 8-inch core in less than 20 seconds when it's mounted no more than 10 inches from the ground. The Magictec's core extractor removes the soil from the probe and places it in the collection container. Then, when you've collected enough cores for a sample, you simply slide the soil container upward and pour the soil sample into the box or the bag to be sent to the lab. Magictec Powered Soil Probe. So easy, it's almost magic.